Hello everybody and welcome back to Origamitopia. We are so sorry that we have not posted a video in such a long time. I know we haven't been serious with the channel and serious with posting videos, but now we're back in business and we'll try to post videos more often. And we're back with a really cool model. It is an origami flasher designed by Jeremy Schaefer. This is actually the easiest flasher to make, because the other flashers are really complicated, and even I don't know how to fold those. So grab your paper and let's get folding. All right, so to fold it, just grab a piece of paper, and there you go. That's why I told you it was really easy. All right, seriously guys, all jokes aside, let's start. All right, so all you need is a square piece of paper, a perfect square piece of paper, and it can be any size. Just make sure it's a square. Right now I'm using a sheet of printer paper cut square, but you can use origami paper if you want. All right, so let's begin. First, you're gonna fold the paper in half like this. And for this, you wanna really make precise folds and crease sharply. All right, align the edges up as best as possible and crease sharply. Make a nice sharp crease. What helps is to run your fingernails along the crease. All right, now unfold it, flatten that out. Take the top and fold it to the middle crease right there. Fold that to the middle crease, line the edges, crease that. Now take this side and do the same thing. All right, now you're gonna take this flap right here and fold it to the top right here. Take that and fold that to the top. Flatten it out, turn it over, and do the same thing with this side. And now what you want to do is take this whole paper and flip it over, and you'll notice that the crease you made earlier, you'll see it right over here. If you want, you could still just remake the crease so you can see it a little bit better. And once you do that, you're gonna take this top edge and fold it right onto that crease right there. And do the same thing with this side. Line that up. Now you want to just take this and fold that down like that. And now you should have something that looks a little bit like a paper fan. All right, now you want to unfold everything and flatten that out. And now you're going to just repeat the same process with this side. So take it and fold that in half. Just fold it, align the edges, make the crease. All right, we're done with that. And if you're still confused on how to do that process, just feel free to rewind the video. So now, once you do that, unfold it, and you'll see we've divided the paper into an 8x8 grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we only really need a 7x7 grid. So what we do here is, if you want, you could just cut the top off. But what I always do, and what is easier to do, is just take that and fold that down like that. Rotate it this way and fold that down like that. And then remake any dents that came in the creases. And then just flatten it out again. All right. Now we've made the grid, and it's a 7x7 grid. And now what we're gonna do is draw on the pattern. So you'll see in the middle, we have 3 mountain folds. We have 3 mountain folds in the middle. So right in the third one, right in the middle one right here, you'll see you'll have a square right next to it. You see you have that and then a square right next to the middle mountain fold. So what you wanna do is draw on that square. Draw a perfect square. Try and make the lines as even as possible. All right, and now what we're gonna do here is on the square, you wanna take this right there. You'll see there's a crease going right from the square you just drew. And do that with all the other sides. So we're gonna make 4 mountain folds right here. Right, that right there. Now make 1 more going down here. All right, now what we're gonna do is, right in the square, you're gonna draw, you'll notice between this line, you have a square right here, another square. So what you're gonna do is just draw a dotted line until the end of that square. Then going down here, you're gonna draw another dotted line. And then you have right here along this dotted line, you'll notice you have another crease going this way. So draw along there. And now you're gonna, the last part of this is to take this and draw a straight line going down from this square right here, like this. Then you're gonna draw that right here, going down this side of the crease, and then right here. And there's what you do with the first part. Now you turn it over and you just do the same thing with all the other sides. All right, we've done that. So now you'll notice you've drawn on all the pattern. You've drawn the pattern on. All right, so now what we're gonna do is you can start on either side of the paper. So now you wanna take this line and pinch along here. And then you wanna take this line and pinch there, and you want to just kind of squeeze that together like that. Just take those 2 sides and just kind of squeeze it together. Don't make a full crease, just squeeze it together like that. Like pinch it a little bit. Now you want to take this and fold, pinch along there. You want to pinch a crease right up to there. Right up to there. And now you want to take these creases and take them like that and align these 2 edges. Once you align them, then you squeeze that and align all the edges together, and then you crease it. You can flip it over to make the creases sharp. Just like that, see? And now take this, squeeze that together like that, and do the same thing with the other 2 sides. Take that, squeeze, then take this side, pinch along there, and now bring that together. And now the last step is to just take the last part and do the same thing you did with all the other sides. The last part is going to be a little bit easier. So you just take that and squeeze that together. And just take that and you want to align it as best as possible. And now bring it together. All right, now the last step is to just take, you've made the whole pattern of creases. So now you just really have to bring it all together, just push it together. So just like that. And just go with all the creases and just push it together. And once you do that, you just want to push on all of the creases that you've made. You can flip it under and and crease all of those creases that are like not sharp enough. All right, and even out all those creases. And there you have it, folks. The origami flasher. And the way to use it is to take this flap and put your finger under it. Take this flap and put your finger under it, and there you have it. An origami flasher designed by Jeremy Schaefer. Alright everybody, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and click that subscribe button, and also click the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And be sure to comment down below. And yep, until then, keep folding.